So very good to hear you guys conversing with each other because that's the motive of this group chat. Right now, I'm not able to get through to Vinita ma'am. So no problem. We will continue with the process. So assume that Narendra is visiting you at your place. All right. So we need to assume that Narendra is visiting you at your place. So now he will be at the door. He will knock the door, and that's how the conversation will begin. All right. So assume that Narendra has reached your house and he is at the door. Start. आज का टॉपिक है is population a problem for India? This is your free speech topic. So first introduce yourself and then tell them about the topic and then start talking. At least for 1 minute we need to go on. Alright, this is a free speech topic. So whatever is coming to your mind after listening to the topic, you can go on. So please start. Alright, that's awesome. Mhm. Yeah, go on. All right. So well done, everyone. I think every one of you was able to talk about the topic in a very nice way, and it was really great to hear. यहाँ पे दो फीडबैक मैं आप लोगों को देना चाहूंगा. Yes, Naren, you want to say something? Yeah, you are. So now we will do a little exercise that is a subject verb agreement. So here we start. Ready, everyone? All right. So you all can see this. It's visible to you all. So either of them, इसे हम either भी बोल सकते हैं. Either of them dash fit for the job. पक्का? So is the correct answer. Is the correct answer here. तो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट टॉपिक है ये और जस्ट वांटेड टू सी कि आप इसे सही से आंसर कर पाते हैं या नहीं. तो इज द ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. ईदर ऑफ देम इज फिट फॉर द जॉब. वेरी गुड. संडे फर्स्ट होता है. तो नरेंद्र ओवर टू यू. नरेंद्र ओवर टू यू. ऑलराइट. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड यस अरुण जी, ओवर टू यू. वेरी गुड. तो लास्ट वाले में सा नहीं आएगा, स आ जाएगा. तो इट इज संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. सो बहुत इजी है. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेम्स ऑफ द मंथ्स. तो मंथ के नेम्स बताने हैं अब. सो यहाँ पर विनीता जी, अब आप बताइए मंथ के नेम्स. So now we will do a little exercise That is a subject verb agreement. So here we start. Ready, everyone? All right.